Good morning from the warehouse. Here we are. Got Jensen and Rhoda back there packing up for this morning's project. We are heading out to Warman to set up their home for the Parade of Homes coming up in September. But they wanted to get a head start on it, so that's great. So we're just waiting for the movers to get here. As you can see, we got lots of goodies going. So I can't wait for you all to see it.
Queen headboard went on there?
Yeah. All the headboards are on.
Yeah, we'll do some got white wash bedding. And I've got the gray layer.
Oh yeah, we forgot about something.
And then I've got
Look what we forgot about.
An onion?
We forgot about the onion.
What are you making?
I'm just gonna have made.
Oh, and then we brought that new sheet set if you want to
Wait,
use
what
it.
is this? A box?
I'm not sure.
sorry, you want this back to
Hello. Welcome back. We are on our way out to a small city named Warman, just outside of Saskatoon, and we are staging the entire house. We have a sick toddler with us. Maya, say hello. She's in the back, and that's just the life of an entrepreneur sometimes. So the team is out there. I am bringing a few things with me. In addition, and yeah, we kind of have a modern farmhouse feel to this house. It's gonna be great. It's a little bit more contemporary, I'd say, on the farmhouse side, so it's gonna be fresh. I look forward to showing everyone the end result. Uh-oh. Always making dirty in the house. There, what do you think of the house, bird? Say hi, Maya. All right, I'm gonna stand out of his way. Oh, you're so cute.
You look like a baby bird.
He does look like a baby bird. Think he likes it? He's so little.
I think it's a baby.
I think so too. I hope he flies out the door. Let's leave the door open.
I'm gonna get some grass for him.
Get some grass for him? No.
I think the bird needs grass.
They just make nests out of grass, I think. Staging break.
Wildlife. Everyone's getting it.
Hiding. I was just taking videos of you. Dun, dun, dun.